All right, now we're going to review how to do neck holds. Now, this is more of an advanced technique to restore the neck and shoulder curvature, okay? If you do this and you start to develop symptoms, soreness, achiness, tightness, radiating symptoms, completely inappropriate, just stop right then. But this is great, and if you can do it, this is one of the best exercises to restore that curvature in the neck. So what she's going to do is she's actually going to lay on her belly, prone, and it's like you were a little kid and you used to watch TV like this. She's going to put her elbows underneath her just like that and just arch her neck back, and that's going to help that restore that natural curve. Now, she's really relaxed in the shoulder area. She's just, again, just putting the pressure right on her chin right here in that ideal position. Now, you want to keep it there for about as long as you can. I tell people, you know, watch a television show for about 18 minutes because that's the amount of time that it takes to break through what they call the plastic elastic deformation curve. In layman's terms, what that means is that's what it's going to actually help to restore a new curve in the neck and to start to rehabilitate that neck and shoulders.